reason we use graphics are because many games are being developed and many applications are being developed which needs this much of memory space. Now let's check the computing system. The computing system, as I told you, is a normal computer which we use daily, but the exact specifications are 2.13 GHz 422 processor, a 2 GB dual channel RAM, and also a 250 GB SATA hard disk. This was the first Microsoft Surface which has been developed, but Bill Gates has promised the latest Microsoft Surface which is being developed now has 1 TB of hard disk, 4 GB of RAM, and the 422 processor has been replaced by quad processors, which are the fastest till now. Audio, although it is not so important in Microsoft Surface, but even then it has a built-in stereo with flat channel output. Input devices. You must be wondering, I told you our fingers are the only input devices in Microsoft Surface. What are these input devices? It are the cameras and the infrared. The cameras that I showed you previously and the infrared are also the input devices. And as you see here, there is a Bluetooth keyboard and mouse. Why is it so? Microsoft Surface is an open device, n number of people can use it simultaneously. So the thing is, it becomes very difficult to manage. If there are 10 to 12 people handling it, the administrator cannot handle. So Microsoft has given a Bluetooth keyboard and mouse only for the administrator, so that he can handle everything. He can pause the Microsoft Surface, he can stop any application, he can start the task manager, anything using the Bluetooth keyboard and mouse, which is only under the control of the administrator. And now the network protocols. The network adapter used is the Intel GB LAN. Since it's a Microsoft device, everything used is Intel. The data link protocols used are the latest IEEE standardized 802.11g, IEEE standardized 802.11b, and also the Bluetooth 2.0. You must be wondering why Bluetooth 2.0. It's quite an old system. The thing is, when the Microsoft Surface was developed in 2003, this was the only Bluetooth protocol available. But now, as soon as the time advances, Microsoft Surface is using Bluetooth 3.0. And lastly, wireless LAN connectivity. The main advantage of wireless LAN connectivity is Microsoft Surface can connect to other Microsoft Surfaces using wireless. So suppose if you have a home with 4 rooms containing all 4 Microsoft Surfaces, they can connect with each other without using any wires. So you can see what's going on in the other room, what people are using. So this was the technical specification. Now you must be well versed with the hardware of Microsoft Surface. Let's see under what software are the applications designed. Microsoft Surface application can be designed using SDK using these two platforms. One is the WPF and one is the XNA. WPF stands for Windows Presentation Foundation and XNA is just the name, it's not an acronym for nothing. So here I have given you two hyperlinks which will show the framework of each of them. Let's check WPF first. WPF framework. These are the WPF framework. How exactly does it look? Basically, WPF is a graphical system which is a very user-friendly technique to make user-driven menus. Actually, this is a software which helps in making the main interface of the Microsoft Surface. Whatever interface that you can see is designed in WPF. It was initially released as a .NET Framework 3.0. The striking feature over here is it is built under DirectX, which enables reach controls, design and development. Now let's check the hyperlink of XNA. XNA is a programming tool developed by Microsoft itself. It is a set of tools with managed runtime environment which facilitates game development. Basically, XNA used in consoles like Xbox 360, PS3, and the most advanced computer games developed today are done using XNA. The basic main feature of XNA is it is a boon for the programmers because it minimizes coding by having its extensive class libraries. This was the software that we have seen. Now this is the most important concept which will make the concept clear how the objects are recognized. As you see in the video, you keep stuff, how are they detected? So the main thing are the domino tags. What are these and how are they used? In this figure you can see this pattern of 8 dots. These are the domino tags. Basically these 8 dots, the pattern of these 8 dots, the way they are arranged, it shows what the object is. So these domino tags are placed on the surface. It is detected by the infrared. The infrared sends it to the processor. The processor processes what is the object, and then it sends the signal that this is the object, and the information is designed accordingly. So now 8 dots, you must be thinking it's too less because 8 dots the pattern can be arranged in very less manner. Many objects cannot be detected. Now Microsoft has made domino tags with 90 dots. Mainly it was to enhance n number of objects. So basically any object that can be represented will be done using domino tags. So that's it for the hardware and the software part. Now I'd like to call upon Ria to continue with the